Doctors' union officials have presented themselves in court to avoid arrest following an order issued by the same court yesterday. On Tuesday, Judge Helen Wasilwa had issued warrants of arrest against 7 officials of the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Board. These 7 officials are now currently at the Milimani Law Courts, where Judge Helen Wasilwa is about to give the ruling. Let's listen in.
I do associate myself with all the sentiments of non-council for the Council of Governors. My lady, just a point to emphasize, the doctors have been continuing their content before this court. Citizens out there cannot continue having faith in court if this court allows this. I ask this court to continue the content.
Yes, already. It's unfortunate that we have shifted the ground from pure industrial relations. Now we are legalistic in terms of the way we have proceeded in this matter since we started. It's so unfortunate that again we are appearing before your lordship for what we call conviction on industrial relations matters. It's very unfortunate, and I think the information that we are trying to share across the board is lacking. We are lacking proper sharing of information. This is not why we are here. We are not happy that we are here to either say the application by my colleague here should not proceed or the court should proceed and convict. It is the unfortunate situation that the question that we ask ourselves is there a way out of this mess? That's the big question. We don't necessarily want to say that our colleagues who are now in the union, that they should be convicted. I mean, that is not the reason for industrial relations. And they should understand that. I mean, that is my main, and that is exactly what you said last time, that industrial relations requires a different approach to without really moving to the legal issue. And then my colleague should have said, look, I've advised my clients that since I took oath of office as an advocate, and that an order of the court, in as much as it's bad, or paid fast for even 10 days, even 20 days. That's an option given. Fighting the way we are fighting, my lord, my lady, it's not really the option. And we know we are looking at you for direction, but now you see where we are finding ourselves. As we are seated here, we are trying to canvass with my colleagues across the board. The union members are my friends. I've tried to talk to them. This is not the way. This is not the way to do it. We cannot do things in a political way when it comes to social. In terms of compensation, in terms of what they're asking for, there is a remedy that they can be paid in arrears. All right? There is a remedy that we must understand the terrain we have. The CBA implementation slogan must be understood from one perspective. That the CBA has not been registered. That is the legal requirement before implementation. You see now, we should be talking about implementation and we registered that CBA. Secondly, my colleagues are very much aware that there is a devolution of health services. We had a very good meeting with them before the CS. We exchanged notes about how we should move forward, having the county government. But this legalistic way, the way we are moving, and the way the union is looking at the whole aspect in terms of how they want the country to see it, but it's not the best way. I don't know whether you should give us maybe another 5 minutes.